Welcome to my channel! Here is a crossword puzzle for you to solve. You have 5 seconds for each clue. Let's begin!
Across 1. Comparative degree of small. Smaller. Down 2. Adjective form of danger. Dangerous. Across 3. Superlative degree of good. Best. Down 3. Adjective form of beauty. Beautiful. Across 4. Adverb form of careful. Carefully. Down 5. Superlative degree of bad. Worst. Across 5. Past tense of go. Went. Down 6. Adverb form of quick. Quickly. Across 7. Comparative degree of happy. Happier. Down 8. Past tense of eat. Ate.
That was amazing! How much did you score? Drop your score in the comments below. See you in the next challenge. Keep learning and keep puzzling!